Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs! Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. It's the Petro Premiership, Orlando Pirates 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by Junior Mkichimi, Nombogoto.
Stivo,
yes.
Bopo Shile, the Sidama snacks, that's in.
Grilled steak, flavored potato chips.
Besida, Besnatali. Lava Bandwetu, Stivo, Snata Wonga Matima, Rai Chiefs.
Sabasi.
Bandwetu,
yes.
Bandwetu, Stivo,
yes.
Papilonga Lagitila.
Pirates.
Yeah.
Abashai Pirates.
Nokuthi kuze kube ne Chiefs kwaphuma ama player we Pirates ayakha I Chiefs.
Umlando lo.
Ngiphethe ne legend elikhulu. Legend elikhulu Steve. Legend elikhulu. Jerry Skosana.
Okay.
Yeah.
Weirdo.
Mbeke.
Okay.
Mbeke Steve. Yeah. Star Steve.
Star playing.
Kudala bekuhlezi ukubora yena.
Yes.
Yeah. Bafuza uBrand Baloyi.
Uyamazi.
Kahle Steve.
Uyamazi.
Kahle. Ngisathenga amanye Steve.
Ama tips.
Ngisayodla next week.
Amapita.
Ngasuka eMpumalanga ngiye KZN ngoba ngidlala.
Lento la.
Yeah.
Uyodlala
Potato chips. Potato chips.
Oh!
Yakubona? No.
Potato chips.
Yeah. Potato chips. Bayenza iphutha la.
Potato chips.
Potato chips.
Not chips.
Mazambani konke.
Potato ibona kanjani?
Right Steve. Just namhla angivukanga kahle Steve.
Yebo ma.
Bengisebenza night shift.
Yeah.
Ngiphume ekseni.
Yeah.
Mangisekhumbini.
Okay.
Ngaphupha uslow poison.
Slow poison.
Ngaphupha uslow poison.
Oh, Leslie.
uLeslie Manyathela. Into ngifuna ukuyisho manje ngithi Leslie Manyathela continue rest in peace. Sohlezi sukuthanda, sohlezi sukukhumbula. I miss this guy.
Eish.
Hliziyo yami ibhlungu over Steve.
Eish.
Ngimphethe ubonile amagoli
2
because of this guy.
Please.
Lalele khona.
Yeah.
Uvulile Steve. Namhlanje.
Yeah.
And into ngithandayo ngePirates yi1. I-team yethu Steve ayizange simane siyakhe endleleni.
Hey.
uEzekiel from eBhayibhelini.
Yeah.
Ushogayi 1
Athi.
wathi mathambo hlanganani. Wahlangana mathambo Steve. Ngiyawavuma amathambo Steve. Ahlangene Steve. Makhosi. Niyo chance ukudlala nePirates mara ngeke niwine.
Kule bank.
Yeah, next week.
But bayithatha ine bank.
Next week ngiyobacedelela ngibakorope.
Uyakoropa nga.
Namhla bengithanyela.
Okay.
Bathanyela.
Usaqala man.
Next week ngiyabamopha.
KZN Steve.
Manze maningi KZN so wakhe nge5 liter nenhlabathi yakhona. Elwandle.
Man of the match.
Monkey Makhopa. Yeah. Quality. Yeah.
So ngithi kumbokazi.
Sha.
TLP yami. My TLP. Akaqhubeke adlale ibhola adlalayo.
The way.
I'm happy.
Yeah.
Akaqhubeke kumbokazi.
Yeah.
Ngiyamthanda lo mfana.
Too much.
Ngamcela from kuma interview because before abantu bamazi. Asi management eOrlando Pirates isicela basifakele umbokazi.
Yeah.
Bangizwa.
Yes.
Bafaka umfana. So management ePirates yasifela Steve.
Yeah.
Because siyababona siyakhala.
Yeah.
Sicela uSaleng abuye whatever ama issue abanawo from uSaleng.
Yeah.
Ingasifaki thina.
Ayiphele
siyacela manje. Siyamcelela Steve.
Yeah.
Ayiphele iissue issue ebanayo noSalengi.
Yes.
Sifuna ama player wethu wakabuye.
Back.
Bonda. Bosesana. Sibo siyalimala.
Too much.
Ngayithanda iPirates team.
Yes.
Ngabe kuya ngami. Bengiyohlala eOrlando every day team. Esgodini Sibo. Noma ngivuka ngemsebenzini, uqondama awukho team.
Yeah.
IkuOrlando Pirates.
Phela.
So khona ufuna ukukulungisa.
Yini mama?
Kunabantu ku TikTok Sibo. Bathi ngimama Joy.
Bathi umama Joy?
I'm not Mama Joy guys.
Umuhle kanje?
Ambogodo. I'm not Mama Joy. Thank you Sibo. Thank you mama. So next. Okay, my God.